Hi, today we're testing a Doboy B-500 bag sealer. It's a plastic sealer. The bands are heated, they heat up. It's a factory made from Bosch, and we're just going to show you Doboy Bosch. Yep, Doboy Bosch, Doboy. It runs a plastic bag sealer. They would normally put a conveyor underneath here or a table, but you'll see it supports the weight of the bag, generally speaking. Figure we'd run a couple bags. See, we just put 2 bottles in a bag. It's showing you how, and I got a couple other, a thicker bag. You can adjust the temperature of higher for higher conventional, heavier plastic. But this will show you a similar one. I'm going to do it with water later to show you it does a nice seal on the bags. Visit us anytime at champtrading.com on the web. Thanks for your time.